One eternity later.
I made an egg recipe which is really spicy, and I am about to eat it. I have not presented it so nicely, but then it's going to really taste so good. The scratch that you're seeing over here, you know who caused it? Ini? I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe. I have not presented the dish really well. If you find it really spicy, then you can go ahead and cut down on the green chili. You definitely need to try this out. And that's my breakfast for today. I'm going to eat it before the yolk breaks of me shaking it. See you, bye.